Hey guys and girls, this is a solar cable connector. If you work with solar cables, you need one of these to connect it. And this solar cable connection kit, it comes with a crimper and the disconnectors and the tightener. All right, a lot of people, they bring two of these. They have two of these in the box in case you break these prongs here. And these prongs are used to take the solar cable connectors apart. So what you gotta do is watch the time on this, okay? Watch the time. You take this and you squeeze it in there, and then sometimes it works, sometimes don't. You gotta keep getting in there real good. All right.
Longer.
Yeah, it takes longer. Or you can do like this. That's another way. And you see how it's taking so long. Well,
Wow.
but watch my fingernails. I take my two fingers, I squeeze both of this, and ta-da!
Why they give the blue pieces?
That's for
Make it.
to release these pieces and also to tighten this. The round piece. This piece, I don't know what this is for in the center, but these are for, let's see. Damn, sometimes it works, sometimes no. And then you have to squeeze this, I guess. Nope, it's not working. It tried, but let's put it in there, and then, golly, try the other way. What it does is squeeze those little things here. All right, I think I got it. Nope. Let me try another piece. Okay, try another piece. Damn. There you go. All right, you see that? So I have one that's a little tighter than the other. And guess what? Just use your two fingers. I pushed it in, squeeze it.
No more separate.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
So let's try that with this one. Let me try that with this one. I'm gonna push it in. Push it in. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, so another way, yeah, you have to push it in and then use this. Yeah, that releases. Okay, makes sense. What I was doing was, it was not pushed in all the way, it was pushed out like that. And then it's hard, yeah. So, oh, there you go, it came out. It still came out. Oh well. I like my method better. You put it in there, you squeeze it, boom. You squeeze it with those two fingers like that. What you're doing is squeezing these two pieces in. It saves you a lot of time, especially if you're on a roof and you're doing solar panels and you drop this kit, you're not gonna drop your fingers. Your finger's always gonna be there, unless you lose it by accidentally cutting it. But there it is, bingo.
All right.
Quicker, right?
Thank you for the tea.
You're welcome.
Yes.
There you go. All right, have a good one. Bye.